Hi, my name is Andrew, and I'm here because you're just beginning to utilize the HungerRush 360 marketing to communicate with your customers. And we want to be able to guide you through how to view the success of our efforts. In this video, I'll be showing you how to access the reporting, which is proprietary to HungerRush 360 marketing, as well as how to check in how many orders per day you received from our efforts. It all begins with logging into your Menufy manager. From here, you'll navigate to your management account. On the left sidebar, you'll navigate down to where it says here reports. You'll click on reports and you'll scroll down to where it says marketing. Once you click on marketing, it will pull a report for the given date range that you've had the marketing running for. This will give you attributions for total sales, marketing orders, a bunch of different metrics that you can view here. Additionally, if you wanted to see another way how to view your marketing attributed sales, let's say you wanted to check your orders for the day and see how many were attributed to the marketing. You simply click here on the left side where it says orders. That'll automatically search for just today's date, and that will give you the source. You'll see the source line here, and all these blue icons are marketing attributed sales. So if we click on any of these, you can see there's two different types of icons. You have a cell phone and you have an email. If you click on cell phone, it'll give you the message where it was sent to, when it was delivered, and when the customer placed an order. The same goes for email. You have a message sent, message delivered, and the customer placed an order 1 day later. I hope this helps shed some light on just how much visibility you have as a restaurant owner and how this marketing effort can be tracked efficiently and effectively. For any more requests about information or anything you guys have any questions about, please feel free to email us at hr360marketing at hungerrush.com. That's hr360marketing at hungerrush.com. Thank you so much for your time and have a great day.